Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with no job. First, you need to determine if your gross income meets the filing threshold for your age and filing status. Even without a traditional job, you might have taxable income from various sources. It's often a good idea to file anyway, as you could be eligible for valuable tax credits or a refund. Remember, if you have net earnings of $400 or more from self-employment, you must file a tax return. Next, gather all necessary documents. If you received unemployment benefits, you'll get a Form 1099-G. For gig work or freelance income over $600 from a single client, expect a Form 1099-NEC. Investment income, like interest or dividends, will be reported on Forms 1099-INT or 1099-DIV. Also, meticulously track any business income and expenses for self-employment, as these are crucial for your Schedule C. Now let's talk about how to file. Most people will use Form 1040, the standard individual income tax return. If you're self-employed, you'll also need to complete Schedule C to report your business income and expenses. Additionally, Schedule SC is essential for calculating your self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. You can choose to file using free tax software, hire a tax professional, or submit paper forms by mail. Finally, complete and submit your return. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid errors. Once everything is correct, sign and date your return. You can submit it electronically for faster processing or mail it to the Internal Revenue Service. If you owe any taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to prevent penalties. Always keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.